to talk through how you can make an appointment with your doctor. To do so, you'll need to have registered with your GP, which you can either do online or in person. I'm just going to give an example of what calling your GP to make an appointment could sound like, and then talk through some of the key phrases I used within the call, which you can practice. So first you will need to call up.
Welcome to Coventry Medical Centre. How can I help you?
Hi, I would like to make an appointment to see the doctor, please.
What is your name?
My name is Miriam Ali.
Can you spell that, please?
Yes, it is spelled Mariam Ali.
Thank you. What is your date of birth?
My date of birth is the 9th of August, 1990.
And why do you need to see the doctor?
I have had a bad headache for the past 2 days.
There's an opening tomorrow at 10 a.m. Does that work for you?
No, I have to work then. Are there any other later appointments available?
Yes, there is also an appointment at 4 p.m. tomorrow. Is that suitable?
Yes, that would be much better for me. Thank you. Thank you for your help. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
So that is an example of what calling your GP surgery to make an appointment could sound like. Now I'm going to act as if I'm the GP surgery, and you can pause the video to practice saying what you would say to make an appointment. So, Coventry Medical Centre, how can I help you? What is your name? And how do you spell that? Thank you. What is your date of birth? And why would you like to see the doctor? Okay, there's an opening tomorrow at 10 a.m. Is that okay? Yes, there's also a later appointment at 4 p.m. Does that work for you? Thank you. Some of the key phrases which I covered were make an appointment, with the word make being a verb and the word appointment being a noun. Make an appointment. Also, another key phrase that I used in that conversation was see the doctor, with the word see being the verb and the word doctor being the noun. See the doctor. Also, there are a lot of other symptoms that you could have said when calling the doctor. For example, I said I have a headache, but you could also say I have a toothache, I have a backache, I have a stomach ache, or otherwise you could say I have a cough, I have a sore throat, etc. You could also give symptoms on behalf of other people that you are calling for. So for example, you could say, my daughter has a cough, my son has a sore throat. So those were some of the key phrases that you may use if you're calling your local doctor surgery to make an appointment. I hope it was helpful and thank you.